the name of the show is Breaking News with Media Leaders. So I'd like to extend to you the opportunity to break some news for us. So that can be for you personally, that can be for your company. So break some news for us, Anzio.
I break some news for you here. NBCU Academy. NBCU Academy is a fairly new arm of the company where we are reaching out specifically to our higher education platforms. If you go to our YouTube page, NBCU Academy, you will see dozens of videos already been produced, lighting, shooting, podcasts, you name it, how to MMJ, how to run a drone, how to use that inside of journalism. College professors all over the world right now are using these videos to spark conversations in class. Students are looking at this to learn how tos. And so I'm thankful the NBCU Academy is not only just producing those videos, but we're also actively recruiting young adults from universities around the country to come be a part of our training programs. So if you go to NBC Universal website, you're going to see lots of jobs, and we're hiring people right out of school for these training programs. So, so now's the time. It is certainly breaking news because so many people are graduating in May. Many people
I
are graduating in May. You got to get at this now.
as a college professor, I will definitely be passing that information along to my students and cohorts around the country.